Your Android phone has a hidden tracker that's been selling your data to advertisers this whole time. Google buries it deep in the Play Store settings, but I'm about to show you how to kill it in under 60 seconds. And yes, your battery life will actually improve too. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that pops up, tap Personalization in Play. It might also say Google Play Personalization. Next, tap Play Personalization and History. Here, you'll see Web and App Activity. If it says On or shows a blue switch, that means Google is currently tracking you. Tap the big button or the switch, then choose Turn Off and Delete Activity. Confirm it, and just like that, Google can no longer use your app usage for personalized ads going forward. While you're still on this screen, look for Auto Delete and turn it on. Set it to Auto Delete activity older than 3 months. This keeps Google from hoarding years of your data. Now let's go one step further and kill your advertising ID, the secret tracker every Android phone has. Go to your phone's main Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy, or Security and Privacy on some phones. I use a Samsung phone, so the procedure looks a little different. Tap on Privacy. Other privacy settings. Now tap on Ads and Delete Advertising ID and confirm. I already did a long time ago. That is the reason the button is missing. If deleted successfully, from that moment, when apps ask for your ID, they'll just get a string of zeros, basically making you untrackable across apps. One last quick win. Let's make sure Play Protect is fully turned on. Back in the Play Store, tap your profile picture again. Play Protect. Tap the little gear icon in the top right. Make sure Scan Apps with Play Protect is on. And also turn on Improve Harmful App Detection. That's it! In just a couple of minutes, you've stopped the biggest built-in trackers on your Android phone. You're not 100% invisible, no one is, but you just made it way harder for advertisers to build a creepy profile on you. If this video helped you take back some privacy, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. I post simple, no-nonsense tech tips every week. Drop a comment below and let me know if these steps worked for you, or if you want more privacy guides like this. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.